Video marketing is a popular way of promoting your business and a very powerful one if done right. Hi everyone, I'm Lydia, and in today's video I will talk about video marketing for your business and how to use it to actually get more clients and page views for your website. So I'm going to go through talking about YouTube videos for your business, Instagram, IGTV, and stories, and also Pinterest videos. So let's talk about YouTube video marketing. Creating videos to start promoting my online business was probably the smartest move that I ever did for my business to grow my income. Because it doesn't matter what size of audience you have. If you start a YouTube channel and you post videos that people are interested in, that they want to see, and if you target a certain audience, then you will make profit from it. As long as your content is really good, you can monetize it at any size of channel, even before you get monetized and make money with Google AdSense. So how do you use YouTube to make money online and to grow your online business even with a tiny audience? Number one, post content that people are interested in and are searching for. So for that, you need to research the videos before you even make a script for them, before you even film them. So based on your niche, the niche that your channel is in, create videos that your audience would be interested in watching and that you could be convincing them with that video, with that knowledge that you're sharing, that your services are worth purchasing and your products are worth trying out. The next tip is to mention your products, your services in each and every video you post if possible, and if you're not annoying people with that. If your services and products are relevant to the topic of the video you're creating, make sure you mention them in the video. If what I've showed in this video seems also complicated for you and you want to get the feature of Instagram shoppable posts but don't want to do it yourself, you can check the link in the description for my Instagram product tagging services. And also, if you need somebody to manage your Instagram account for a month, 2, or even a year, make sure to check the link in the description as well for my Instagram monthly management services. By not mentioning what you're doing, who you're doing it for, basically what you're offering your clients in your videos or in your blog posts, or just keeping it a secret like nobody should know, you will not get clients. People can't be interested in your services or what you have to offer because they don't know it exists. So make sure you make a habit out of telling people what you're all about, what you're offering them, and where they can go to purchase it. Focus on providing value to your viewers, to your customers, and not only wanting them to be there to purchase your services. So offer free content in your videos that are actually helpful to them and to growing their business, for example. Because if you do that, they will trust you even more, knowing that you know what you're talking about, and they will want to work with you. My next tip is to focus on building an audience, but starting small. Don't wait until you have 100k subscribers to start building an audience, to start building an email list, for example. Start offering freebies for your clients from the beginning of your channel, no matter how small, so you can start growing your audience starting small. If you want to learn how to send out a freebie with MailerLite, a PDF freebie for your clients, for your audience to be subscribed to your email list, I have a video for this in the description, or you can click this card right here. The next tip is to be consistent. Be consistent with your uploads. Research videos that your ideal audience and your ideal client would want to see. I suggest posting at least 2 times a week when you're starting out, even 3 if you have the time, and try and make every single video valuable. Don't just rush into making the videos so you would have something to post that week. If you post more and you are consistent, YouTube will recommend your videos more, especially if you have big watch time and views are growing on your channel. In the same way your channel is kind of growing, YouTube will start recommending your videos even more. Now let's talk about video marketing for Instagram and specifically IGTV, and why you need that for your business as well. IGTV is still pretty new to businesses. I haven't seen a lot of businesses using it, and I think that's a shame because it is right there for people to see when they click on your Instagram profile. The first thing they see is your posts, the next thing they can see is your IGTVs. So if those videos are full of content that they will be convinced by to purchase your products, or they will just see more information on what you're offering, or if you offer free valuable content there as well, it will make them trust you and your business even more. So it's such a shame not taking advantage of something that you have right there. I personally enjoy watching content on Instagram and IGTV as well, but what I don't like is that people don't really post unique new content there. They just post what they already have on your YouTube channels, and that thing is good as well, but try and create new content and unique content for IGTV as well. So what you will need to be posting on IGTV is, as I've said, unique content that you've never put anywhere before. You can post between 1 minute and 60 minutes, especially because it is a vertical video. I will keep it kind of short because that's what people are used to on Instagram because of stories and things like that. They're not used to watching 60-minute videos. Then you can offer snippets of already existing videos on your YouTube channel to lead them there, or of your products that you already have on other platforms. That's alright. But try and include little snippets that will lead them with the link in the description of that IGTV in the place you want them to be. If you have a new product launch, you can also include product reviews or product videos there that will show people more about what they need to know, and make sure to promote that IGTV in your stories on Instagram. One thing to keep in mind when filming IGTV videos is to film vertical videos, or film videos that can be cropped vertically and still look really professional. Now let's talk a little bit about stories that you can post on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. YouTube stories are a different thing and only can be posted by people with over 10k subscribers, I believe. So we're going to focus on Instagram stories, and of course you can share Instagram stories on Facebook, so they fall into the same category. So let's talk about Instagram stories in video format, because this is what we're talking about, video marketing. It is really powerful to use stories on Instagram for your business, and the reason for that is that it is the first thing that people see when they come to Instagram. I personally watch stories on Instagram all of the time, and I believe most of the people do as well. So it is really important to post stories every day or every few days for your business. One thing that I recommend though, don't post too many stories, because if you post too many stories, people will want to unfollow you, because it will be quite annoying to have to skip all of those stories if they're not interested in them. Make sure to add sound to them, and if you're speaking, add little captions to those stories to kind of summarize what you're saying in that story, because it is more visually engaging and people read that as they're listening to you, and they keep watching your stories this way instead of skipping them. I just find that people are a lot more engaged with the content that is posted this way. And now another thing that I want to talk about and that I've mentioned are Pinterest video pins. These are also pretty new, but if you've been promoting your business with Pinterest so far, or even if you haven't, this is something I suggest you try. The thing with Pinterest video pins is that they show up in a feed of only static posts. So Pinterest has been about photography, and it is about mostly photography. So if you post video pins in a non-saturated video platform yet, you will have a lot of chances of people's eyes catching your pin, because it is moving and it is a video, because it auto plays as you scroll through the feed. One thing you need to keep in mind with Pinterest video pins is that you need to use writing or captions of some kind to describe what you're saying, what you're doing in that video. Even if you're showing off a product, maybe you want to add some information about that product in that video pin in form of writing, because the sound is only activated if you click on it, but it auto plays without sound, and people mostly watch it like that. So those video pins obviously need to be optimized for SEO, and you need to keep them branded to your own style and pin them in your own boards, just like a regular pin, but make them in video format and vertical pins as well. So this was my video on video marketing and why it is super important to use all the platforms you have available to promote your business in video format. I believe you should at least try each and every one of these and try and see if they work for your business, and then decide what to focus on. If you could do all, and if you have a big business, you should do all and be present on most of the social media platforms to target a bigger audience and to get more clients for your products and your services if that's what you're selling. So I hope you enjoyed this video and these tips that I had for you. Let me know in the comments below what video marketing option do you use and which has worked the best so far for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for new such videos every Friday, and press that notifications bell if you want to be notified when I post a new video. Thank you again so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one.